Your voice, your station.
So, you want to hear school students talk about their travel experiences, learnings, escapades, episodes, knowledge, incidents from all the corners of the globe? Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world. Brought to you by EdTerra Adventures.
Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. So, I am Arzu.
I am Aryan Ranjan.
I am Venya.
I am Aryan Kapoor.
And I am Pranusha.
And we all are the students of OPG World School. So, we recently went on a safari to Corbett National Park. So, let's talk about our experiences.
Terra Talk, platform from where young voices reach out to the world.
Thank you so much, Arzu, for this amazing introduction. But I am curious about one thing. Why is the national park known as Corbett National Park?
Well, may I answer your curiosity? This Corbett National Park was named after a person called Edward James Corbett. He was born on 25th July 1875 in Nainital. He lived in the forest, big houses. So he was fascinated by the beauty and the scenery, and after a while he became a good tracker and hunter. Later on, he was given the title of a shikari, the killer of man-eating tigers and leopards. And after that, a few years, the British Army employed to kill the man-eaters. But Edward James Corbett, he was the man who spoke out to protect endangered tigers. Due to his tribute, a tiger species was named after him, Panthera tigris corbetti, and even the national park was named after him, the Corbett National Park.
Thank you so much for this information. I had no idea about these facts.
No problem.
Okay, now talking about the national park, let's talk about its biodiversity.
The park is blessed with natural habitats in the form of distinct flora, which includes freshwater flora and alpine flora. Heritage is absolutely astonishing. Also, many fauna species like leopard cat, rhesus monkey, spear grass, sambar deer, barking deer, hornbill, and also Asiatic elephants. Now I have one curiosity in my mind. Why only there is tigers, and tigers?
Well, that's a great question, and the information you gave was wonderful. So I would like to dive into this topic. So all these tigers which are present today are due to this one Project Tiger. The government of India launched Project Tiger in 1973 to maintain the animal population in the country and protect them from poaching. Jim Corbett is Corbett National Park has more than 200 tigers, and this is due to the lush forest cover and healthy space for good quality and quantity of prey with standard conservation practices. Well, the most well-known tiger species is the Royal Bengal tiger, which is found here, and people come here to find and look at this species of tigers.
Thank you, Pranusha. I know about the Project Tiger and in the Corbett National Park.
Okay, now let's talk about my favorite highlight. So my favorite highlight is the elephant's favorite plant, which is the Rohini plant. They eat this plant a lot as this makes them cool down. Now that was my favorite highlight. Now please tell me your favorite highlight, guys.
The highlight of my safari trip was when our safari jeep saw a barking deer. The barking deer was so small and it was so different from all the other species of the deer found in the Corbett National Park. I want to know about your highlight now.
Well, there were many other parts like मैंने जब लेपर्ड को देखा तो लेपर्ड देखने की बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटिंग चीज थी क्योंकि मेरे किसी और दोस्त ने भी नहीं देखी थी. और दूसरी चीज जैकल भी खाली हमारी जीप ने देखा था, किसी भी जीप ने जैकल को नहीं देखा.
My favorite highlight was the jackal because it was really cute.
Overall, I'd say that Corbett National Park is a very beautiful place and it's a must-see for tourists who are coming from India or even outside India. You can view tigers, and not only tigers, there are leopards, langurs and many other species that you might not find somewhere else. Thank you for listening to us, and I'm grateful for EdTerra to give us this opportunity to create a podcast. This is OPG World School Podcast signing off.
Like what you're listening? Stay tuned for a new podcast on classroomworld.com.
Terra Talk, the #1 station.